Lane Keeping Assistant is an advanced safety system that is part of the Active Driving Assistance suite and uses cameras to monitor the road's lane markings. If your vehicle begins to stray out of its intended lane, the system will alert you, helping you to avoid potential collisions or unsafe maneuvers. This feature is activated by default. To confirm it's enabled, tap Driver Settings, select Driver Assistance, then Safety and Warnings, and confirm that lane departure warning is switched on. You can choose how sensitive the engagement of the system is. You can also turn the steering intervention on or off if you do not want the vehicle to correct the lane deviation. Remember that lane departure warning is a driving assistance tool. It's not a substitute for your attention on the road.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?